Divas! For your viewing pleasure today, I have another Diamond Art Club that I'd like to unbox, unwrap for you. It's a square kit, as you can tell by the blue square on the top. And again, if you're new to Diamond Art Club, there are scan me things everywhere on these, on the inside directions on the outside of the box, so that you don't have to pay full price for your next order. And the back has all kinds of instructions, large print. They've got social media goodies on it. And hold on just a moment, folks. So, as I was saying, so let's open this baby up and see what's inside. Okay. All the goodies we're supposed to have. There is a little sticker that I use for the end of the box to identify it when I'm looking at the boxes. There is a basic kit in here, and you will notice that there is something extra in it because there's a square. We have the regular blue pen. We have the clear tray. We have a blue squishy, a bunch of baggies. We have 2 hearts of wax. There it is. 2 hearts of wax, which is more than enough. You really only need 1 to do the kit. There is a 4-placer so that you can multi-place in a small amount. I love the 4-placers, they're my favorite. And because it's square, you also get a pointy tweezers. This is a don't poke your eye out tweezers, they're very sharp. Okay, so there's the Diamond Art Club bag. And you do, even though they're metal tweezers, you do need to replace them every so often. They get bent tips. If the more you use them, the more you might need to replace them at some point. All right. This is the canvas, and it is wrapped around the drills, which I like. It's a soft-backed canvas, but it's firm. It doesn't let go of its it has enough stiffness. I'm going to roll it backwards. You can only do this with poured glue. You know it's poured glue, number 1, because it's Diamond Art Club, and number 2, because it has a clear sheet over top of it. If it had a plain color sheet over it that you could not see the pattern, that you have to peel back to see the pattern, that is a double-sided tape one, and you do not unroll it the opposite way. There's a reason I did that as well. You get the instruction sheet with another 10% thank you in it and stuff about their social media. You get a sticker thing, which I'll show you in a moment. It shows you what the kit is. These are the beautiful drills. Before we look at the drills, I want to show you more about the legend here on the end. This one has 53 colors. There are no special drills in this one. You can tell that because they would be on the end, and the number, the DMC number, would start with the letter like X, Y, that kind of thing. At the top, any numbers under 150 are classified as the ABs. They're usually numbered. No, this is more than the number. This one has 1, 3, 4, 5. This one has 5 ABs, which means they have a special coating on them that make them like Aurora Borealis, hence the ABs. And Diamond Art Club puts them up here in the numbers under 150. Other companies do it differently, but that's the way Diamond Art Club does it. So, let's take a look at this beautiful kit. The canvas itself has a shine to it. It glistens as you do it. There is a legend on each side if you need it, and the information about the kit. I love this. It's at the bottom. They give you a thumbnail here. They also tell you the name, their number for the kit. It's called A Box of Flower Jars Home. It's by Susan Winget. Okay, and the size is here too. 64 by 51 centimeters, which is 25 by 20 inches. And let's look at this beautiful canvas. I see a bird down here, looking like it has a piece of lavender or heather in its mouth. And it has the word home. I love it that when Diamond Art Club puts words on theirs, they're big enough for you to actually read when it's done. Apologize for the shine. Then on the bottom, there's the tray. And this says, "To my dear friend," on the tag here. If you're giving it as a gift, that's perfect. And at the top, I want to show you what's on the top. You have a beautiful set of wildflowers. They're in the jars that are in the box that says home. Okay, so let's look a little closer for where the ABs will be found, and I'll show that to you after I open up the actual drills themselves and figure out what colors they are. Here are the beautiful resin drills. Each drill packet has their DMC color number on it. I love to look at all the colors together for the first time, and just to see all the beautiful colors that go together. They do such a fantastic job at matching the colors together, and they just do a beautiful job picking these things out. So let me wing you in a little bit so you can see the colors as we go through them. Open this up here. We're going to go through the colors, and I'm going to show you which ones are the ABs. Now remember, these are square. Diamond Art Club has their own facility where they make their own drills. And that way they can guarantee the quality that you are getting from the drills. They do a beautiful job. I hardly ever find any trash in them. You're going to find a little trash in some of them because that's just the nature of the beast. You know what I mean? Oh, here's one. An olive green AB. Now that's interesting. I can't wait to find out where that one goes. Teal and blue, and this is a neat green, guys. This is a really beautiful green. Kind of like a grass green, I think. And an orange. The brightest flowers, of course, the brightest colors, of course, are going to go in the flowers. Let's see. All right. We've got reds and purples and blues. If you see the next AB, give me a shout. Black. Oh, look at that bright melon color. Isn't it beautiful? Purples, browns, teals, green, blue. Oh, I see one coming up. Here it is, an orange Aurora Borealis. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. Yellow and brown. Oh, and another one. Here's a purple AB. So we found, what, 3 out of them so far? And we have 5 altogether, so there's 2 more in this strip. You usually get 3 strips. And they go by the most. They're on this strip as in the heaviest, the ones that have the most diamonds in them, to the least. And that's how they manufacture the drill trains, as we lovingly call them. Dark browns, Waiting for 2 more ABs. Oh, I think I see one. Ta-da! This is like a Snow White AB. They love to put this in a lot of them, and it's usually a number 1, but this is a number 4 today. Huh, interesting. On the chart. We should be finding one more. Can you see the colors? Let's see. Oh, I found it. Ta-da! Oh, it's a beautiful red color. 107. Beautiful peachy red color. Alright, so let me move these drills and pull you out again so that I can show you where the ABs go in the kit. Alright. Before I show you where the ABs go in the kit, I wanted to show you this. This is the large thumbnail. This is sticker paper, and this you can use in your journal to show how much you've done, what kit you've done. You can write when the time in and time out, which means you know how long it took you to do the kit. It gives you the name and the artist, and it gives you the dimensions. Also, these along this side are all, whoops, where I'm missing 2 of those things. Oh dear. Oh, there's a sticker. I'll find them. They're in here somewhere. I lost them. That's my fault, not Diamond Art Club fault. The stickers came off the little packaging. Anyway, each are individual stickers so that you can use when you're kitting up. Which means when you set up your bags and your system for what colors you're using at what time. I'll find it. I know I will. It's in here somewhere. It's not a giant loss, but it just makes it annoying. I put this back in with the drills so that if the kits get separated, I know which drills belong to which kit just by looking at it. Okay, to show you in the kit where the ABs are, I needed to fold this up a little weird way, but I found the ones down through the stems of the wildflowers. That's a light green, that olivey sparkly green that I showed you before. As we get into the flowers, we see more and more. Most of the ABs are in the flowers themselves. Let me see if I can roll this up so you can see that too. Okay, so I found the E's in here. The S's are over here in these flowers. The number 2s, so we have 1, 2, and 3. The 3s are the reds in the flowers. And the 2s are also, I did find them. I know I did. They're a funky color. They're a strange color here. Okay, the 2s are in these flowers on the outside, the purples. So there you go. You have a very sparkly jars of home. No, jars of flowers home. Here we go. Jars of Flowers Home by Susan Winget. Thank you for joining me today to see this brand new kit, and I absolutely love these things. I can't wait to do them. This would be a beautiful one for spring coming up, don't you think? Speaking of spring coming up, just a reminder to sign up for the March giveaway. Just go down to the description box below and click on Member Questionnaire. I need you to fill out that questionnaire so I have your name and address so I can send you the present directly after you've won it. That's the only way that you can win one of the giveaways, is if you fill out a member questionnaire. I will not give away or sell your addresses to anyone. They are your private information. I'm not going to share them with anyone. Also, at the same time, I need to know what your preferences are, so I send you something you like. I don't want to send you anything that you won't like. So, the drawing will be in March. The time will be announced at a later date, and as we get closer to March, I'll let you know, but keep watching the videos because that date will be in the middle of one of my videos somewhere. Just keeping you on your toes, divas. Alright, talk to you in the next one. Bye.